Hi, hello, how are you? I hope you are all well. So, we are going to start a more video and we are going to start the next lesson of Adobe Illustrator CC. And in this video, we will learn brush tool. Paintbrush tool is our lesson, and there are many sub points in the brush tool. So, I am going to just make a brush, you can see, but now my brush is selected is art brush. So I am going to open my window panel. Just click or press B and you can open a brush panel. So I select this one, basic. So and you can see, and if I press it, and then you can see. So first we start this brush and we see more and more options. So first I will take this and select this one and make this. One thing you can see uh, the difference. If you write or stretch a long line, you see a difference in these points. Yes, see this. If you make a small line, then you can see the points, the difference. You can see the difference between two. In this, points are stretched, and in this, points are not stretched. So these settings we will discuss uh, coming. So if you want to make a brush, uh, or even you want to make yourself brush, you can create this. So I am going to take ellipse tool and just make a click and just click on it. Yes, this is made, and uh, you can see the live result of brush tool. Yes, you can see the live result of the brush tool. The live result, just press on it and take brush tool and create a shape or path. And one thing, if you want to if you are going to create simple one line brush, please must create in stock. This will be good in your result. And one more thing, gradient are not allowed in brush tool, but first you create brush in stock, then you can change the color, shading, swatches, and whatever you want. So I am going to create a brush, and this one is new brush tool panel. First one is calligraphy brush. uh, we see overview this, but I will discuss and I will make a calligraphy in the next videos. And just I am going to scatter brush and art brush and Bristol brush. And Bristol brush is always used in the painting light. If you have a art and you are going to paint in it, so you can use Bristol brush. Mostly people use this and mostly people like this. Next is pattern brush, so I will discuss this. So I am going to calligraphy brush, click on OK. Yes, you can see I am going to write just name first, and you can see these settings. This one is angle. If you know the math, how now you can know the angles, and you can change the angle through this, and you can change the angle through this. And Also you can change the angle through this. And this one is roundness. Here is roundness 100, so you can change the roundness, and you can see the preview here. And this one is size. You can change the size of your brush tool. And if I am going to random, you can change more settings here. You can see the result, thickness and roundness. I am going to random here, and you can see the size of your brush. And I am going to take hair brush. You can see, because I selected too much bad size, so I am going to change this. First delete it. And just I am going to take it. Yes, you can see the result. This is good. So I am going to write here my name. Because I am going to use mouse, so I can't do this better and correctly. You can see how much beautiful. If you want to see more calligraphy, so I will show in the next video. Please comment if you want to see more calligraphy. So I am going to here the next. First to make a star, so just this one, and I am going to change the stroke color, just blue. I am going to paste here and just scatter brush, and okay, delete this. Take ellipse tool and just press on it, so you can see. But I am going to changing more in this. Just you can write 1 2 3 and star brush. So name is done. Now you can change the size of this. You can see if you're going to fix, you can change this one. And spacing you can change, and going to random you can change this one also. And going to scatter, you can scatter this one also, and you can spread on a whole artboard. You can make and everything if you want. But one thing in this one is page and path. If you have a path, you can change this. And if you want to change the method colorization, tints and shades and hue shift, I will describe this. For example, you can see. So I am going to here rectangle tool, just take it yellow and create a copy and change this into this one, and this one is color red. So if you want to see a tint of these two objects, just go to blend and make. You can see this one is going to light side. Yes, now you can see this here is a red and this one is going to continuous running, and here is the change of the color. If you have a hair red, and so I am going to again this one, just this, and here is a red, so here I am going to white. So now you can see, just blend. So you can see here is the red continuously running, after is white. This white is called tint, and tint and shade, this one is, and this one is tint, and I am going to show the shade of. So I am going to here just click on a red and take it copy, I am going to here in this one black, so just blend. So you can see here is the red, so continuously running, after is black. This one is black shades, tints is going to white and shades is going to black. You can see the result. Here this is a panel. If you want to add more brushes, open brush library, arrows brush, district borders, Bristol brush, decorative image brush, vector packs, and Wacom 6D brush. Other library if you want to have, just I am going to arrow special. Yes, you can see, and just click on a brush and you can make. So thanks for watching. Thank you.